For drone enthusiasts and professional aerial cinematographers, the primary limiting factor in any expedition is battery life. While carrying multiple spare flight batteries is common practice, a portable power station serves as a critical mobile hub that can recharge those batteries multiple times throughout a day of shooting. Here, we have best portable power stations to buy.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Bluetti Elite 30 V2 Power Station. The Bluetti Elite 30 V2 is a compact and highly efficient power station that strikes an ideal balance for casual to semi-professional drone pilots. As the successor to the legendary EB3A, this 2025 model features a 288-watt LiFePO4 battery that is rated for over 3,000 plus cycles, ensuring it remains a staple in your kit for a decade. It delivers a reliable 600-watt continuous output, which is more than enough to handle multi-battery chargers for mid-sized drones. One of its most impressive features for fieldwork is the Turbo Boost charging capability, which allows the unit to reach an 80% charge in just 45 minutes from a wall outlet or compatible generator before you head out. Weighing in under 10 pounds, it is incredibly easy to carry to remote takeoff spots, and the integrated smart app allows you to monitor your remaining energy levels from your phone while you focus on the flight. On number 2, we have Newmy 270-watt Portable Power Station. For those who prioritize ultra-portability and weight above all else, the Newmy 270-watt Portable Power Station is a versatile DC-first solution that excels in hiking and travel scenarios. Unlike larger units that rely on heavy AC inverters, this model is designed to maximize efficiency through its dual 100-watt USB-C power delivery ports. This allows you to charge modern drones that support USB-C charging directly at full speed without the energy loss associated with converting power to AC and back again. The unit utilizes a stable LiFePO4 battery chemistry, providing a 72,000 mAh capacity in a frame that weighs just 5 pounds. Its slim, lunchbox-style design fits easily into a backpack alongside your drone gear, making it the perfect companion for solo adventurers who need just enough extra juice to double or triple their flight count without adding significant bulk to their loadout. On number 3, we have DJI Power 1000 Power Station. The DJI Power 1000 is a professional-grade powerhouse specifically engineered to integrate seamlessly with the DJI ecosystem. With a substantial 1,024 capacity and a massive 2,200-watt stable output, this station is designed for intensive commercial operations and heavy-duty drones. Its standout feature is the proprietary STC Super-Fast Charge function, which can recharge select DJI drone batteries from 10% to 95% in approximately 30 minutes, drastically reducing downtime between missions. The unit is built with high-safety LFP cells that offer a 4,000-cycle lifespan and features dual 140-watt USB-C ports for charging high-performance laptops and controllers simultaneously. Despite its high power output, it operates at a whisper-quiet 23 decibels, ensuring it doesn't disrupt the environment during filming. For professional crews running multiple aircraft or enterprise-level drones, the DJI Power 1000 is an unrivaled field asset that provides the reliability and speed required for high-stakes aerial work. So these are some of the best power stations to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.